Hi everybody. So I'm filming this drive because this is my normal drive to work. And about 2.5 years ago, we had a big blizzard, including a blizzard warning. And so I just wanted to show you what this road looks like when it's not a blizzard, because otherwise you'd have nothing to base that on. So yeah, so I just drive down here, everything's clear. Did want to say that this point right here, this is about where we got stuck, roughly. It was right along here, pretty much right there. Anyway, so on this side is the...
Oh, the Plains Conservation Center.
Yes, that's the Plains Conservation Center over there. Now, on this side over here...
It's Buckley Air Force Base.
Is the Air Force Base, yep. So you can... So you can see out there the towers and the golf balls right there. Anyway, so yeah, so this is what the road normally looks like. Well, that wasn't there. That's all new. That's going to be really nice, actually. I'm looking forward to it. And so, yeah. Now we're going to come down to this intersection, because when we approach the intersection, you'll see that it was really so foggy that you really couldn't even see. Like right now I can see the red lights. You couldn't even see these until you were practically on top of them. So it's kind of scary. And then we're going to turn down Dunkirk just to show that, again, what that looks like when you can actually see what's going on. This is our drive to work. Visibility's better on this thing than it is in real life. This car was in the garage all night. This is a rental, and it smells like smoke. Look at the wonderful whiteout conditions. Isn't it nice? Oh, there's a car coming. There he is. Alright, that's all.
Perfect.
Alright, so this is Dunkirk again. Just there's a squirrel. Just a normal neighborhood street. Got a little park over here. Fences on either side, houses on either side. But yeah, this was impassable when we were driving in that blizzard. So yeah, this is what it normally looks like when I drive to work. Nice and clear, and everything's good, sunny, bright, etc. All right, so now you will have some context when I show you the blizzard video. We couldn't get home. We're trying to find an alternate route, or we might just have to wait until this afternoon. This sucks. Okay, so we just got done eating at Wendy's because we couldn't get home on Jewell. So, because it's a total whiteout blizzard at Buckley Air Force Base. So now we're going to try and take Quincy to E470 to Jewell and see if we can get home that way. This is ridiculous. When there's a blizzard warning, don't leave the house. Okay? Okay. Alright, so now we are going back towards the house. So this is how it was when we drove home, or tried to drive home. So I don't think these condos, these places weren't here yet. They weren't built. But
definitely not those.
Yeah, those weren't built. And of course this construction wasn't here, but like I said, okay, so that's Great Plains Park. And right here, cars were already all off the side of the road. We did do a U-turn. That's when we went back to Wendy's to eat. And then we tried to come back out here again. And there were cars all over the place, side of the road, everywhere. But there was a path, so we went through the path and did the best we could. And we were actually doing okay until we got to this point where, well, now there's a little hill. I don't know if you can see that hill goes up where those cars are going. But we got to that point there, and then we lost momentum because I think somebody stopped in front of us or something, and that was it. That was the end. So we ended up stuck basically it was right about here, I believe it was like right here. And we couldn't get going up, down, or anything. So yeah, so this was where we were sitting for, I don't know, seemed like a couple hours. People were trying to help move the vehicles. Chuck had to go to the bathroom because we were sitting so long. And that was that really scary part where the wind like got him and he couldn't breathe, and I was scared, called the ambulance, and there's no way an ambulance could get through. Fortunately, he caught his breath and that was okay, but it was scary. And then that Aurora vehicle came and evacuated us, which you'll see, it might be sideways. I'm going to see if I can flip the video, but if not, you'll at least see it. And that's when they took us to
Old Chicago.
Old Seas. So that's basically it. Well, to continue our saga, this is a disaster. We're stuck on, where are we at? We're stuck on Jewell by Buckley Air Force Base with all these other cars. See them up there. This guy. Chuck almost had a fucking heart attack. Excuse my language. There's these people behind us. Yeah, we're screwed. Massively fucking screwed. So, not sure what we're gonna do except sit here until CDOT shows up. This is a whiteout. And it just got really stronger. Neat. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, so now we've got a plow. A police officer did finally show up. He's the guy in yellow. There's a military car. So we're getting somewhere. Not sure where. Hi. So we're being evacuated in this vehicle and leaving this rental car here. I hope we can get home. Bye. So it's super bright, but this is the, okay, sorry. This is the old Chicago that we were evacuated to. So here's the Wendy's that we ate lunch at. This is the old Chicago that we were evacuated to. You can't really see, but that's the King Soopers. After old Chicago shut down, we went over to King's. That's where Uber, Lyft, the lady picked us up from there after we bought a shovel and some kitty litter. So behind us is the Wendy's that we ate at, and they're over here on the other side of the street. That is the gas station and stuff over there is where we got stuck and had somebody pull us out. We gave them like $20 to help us, wasn't it? 20 or 10? Something like that. Okay, we made it home. We're shoveling. There's a ton of snow. The car is stuck. Hi, honey. Hi. Yeah, we're super happy.
Snow bunnies.
Talking quietly because there's other people outside. They didn't get the trash. It's a disaster. But all's well that ends well.